The purpose of this experiment is to demonstrate the conservation of momentum with two carts pushing away from each other. First, we need to make sure that the surface is level.
The indication that the surface is leveled is that the toy car remains stationary no matter which position we put it.
In order for these toy cars to reach the stoppers at the same time, we need to have a definite distance. I'll measure this 100 grams from the front of the toy car to the stopper. This is 15 inches and this one is also 15 inches. The mass of these toy cars are both 100 grams. These toy cars must hit the stoppers the exact same time. Second, and we'll do this again, but this time we'll be adding a mass piece to each of the trolleys. This one is also 150. Again, both toy cars is going to travel the same exact distance. Now let's see what will happen if one truck is twice the mass of the other truck. We'll remove this one. Let's see if they will still reach the stopper at the same exact time. Each car traveled 15 inches from the starting point. Car with a lesser mass hit the stopper faster than the car that weighs 200 grams. By applying the principle of conservation of momentum, we can identify the position in which both cars will hit their stoppers at the exact same amount of time. Since this car is twice as heavy as the other one, mas mabilis na ma-reach nitong mas magaan ang kanyang stopper. Thus, we need to divide this track into thirds. This car that weighs heavier will travel 1/3 of the track, and the car that is lighter will travel 2/3 of the track. See if they will reach their stopper at the same exact time. Now let us try if the other track weighs 3 times than the other one. So this one weighs 100 grams and this one will add 200 more grams so that this would be equal to 300 grams. Here. So this car that weighs 3 times heavier is going to cover the 1/4 of the track, which is equal to 7.5. And this lighter truck that weighs 100 grams is going to cover the 3/4 of the track, which is equal to 22.5 inches. And that's it for for our experiment.
We can find the correct starting position in which each cars are able to hit the barriers at the exactly same amount of time despite
Having different masses.
the principle of conservation of momentum.
This is for carts with equal mass. A2. Start the cars.
Is 8.
This weighs 300 grams. This is 101. A3. And that's it. Experiment. Thank you for watching and God bless.